Struggling to pick the perfect tool for your website? Don't worry. In just a few minutes, you will get to know which one fits your needs. Let's get started. Welcome to GyaanSaar. In today's video, we are going to help you figure out how to choose the best tool for building your website. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, choosing the right tool is crucial for your website success. Let's dive into it. The first step is to define your website purpose. Ask yourself, what type of website I am creating? Is it a blog, an e-commerce site, a portfolio, or a business site? Each website type has specific needs, and this will guide you to the best tool suited for your project. Next, consider your skill level. Are you a beginner with no coding experience, or you are comfortable working with code? If you are a beginner, tools like Wix or Shopify may be perfect because of their drag and drop interface. For more control, tools like WordPress give you flexibility with a slight learning curve. If you are a developer, custom coding or a platform like Webflow might suit you best. Customization is key. Does the tool allow you to personalize your site the way you envision it? Some tools offers easy customization through templates, while others allow complete control over design element. Wix offers great templates with simple customization. WordPress gives full control with themes and plugins. Shopify is ideal for e-commerce but offers fewer design options compared to others. Next, let's talk about budget. Some tools are free with limited features while others require monthly or annual subscription. If you are on a tight budget, WordPress is a great option with affordable hosting. Wix and Shopify have subscription plans, but their paid plans offer more features for your investment. Keep in mind, you may also need to pay for domain, hosting, and premium themes. Make sure the tool you choose offers adequate support and resources. Shopify provides excellent customer service, especially for e-commerce businesses. WordPress has a vast community with tons of tutorials, but support can vary depending on your hosting provider. Wix offers 24/7 support, which is great for beginners who may need guidance. Before you make final decision, most website building tools offer free trial or basic free plans. Use these to test the interface, features, and ease of use. This step will give you hands-on free for what it's like to work with the tool and help you decide if it's the right fit. And that's it. By following these 6 steps, defining your website purpose, considering your skill level, checking customization options, evaluating your budget, accessing support, and testing the tools, you will be on your way to selecting the best website building tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to GyaanSaar for more tips on navigating the digital world. See you in the next video.